All right, we're going to take a little different track for a little bit. This will allow people who need to get caught up, show you some cool different type of programming that we'll be getting into as we start working with JavaScript. So when you are in code.org, and by the way, log in, just ways to navigate around in code.org with whatever's showing up on your screen, usually at the top. Okay. And if you're already in some kind of lesson, and if you just click on that lesson, it usually brings you out to this level. If you find at the top the title Computer Science Discoveries, which is this course, then it kind of lets you zoom out a level to take a look. All right. We did Unit 1 and Unit 2, your websites. We will eventually be getting into game and animation in Unit 3. But what we're going to do is take a little short detour into this new unit. Haven't done this before. This is new, on AI and how to train machines to do some learning. So you can click on Go to Unit if you aren't there, and hopefully you're at this page. And what should be opened up for you is lesson number 1. So what I want you to do is just take a look. You're going to be like, holy cow, there's kind of a lot of levels here, 15 of them. Yep. It's a way for you to get used to what this looks like and how to approach it. So a couple things I want you to notice. There are some levels that have a camera here, and this is a video put on by code for you to go ahead and please make sure you watch these. They have a diamond shape as you start looking through all the levels once you are in this lesson 1. And so I want to make sure that you watch them and listen so that you get the key elements and they demonstrate exactly what to do. So as you work your way through this today, follow along. They give you some very explicit instructions. So make sure once you get into a level, you're opening up that instruction box and taking a look at it. Okay. Also, and I want you to watch level number 1, but once you get into these lessons, you're going to notice that things are positioned in a different way than they were in Web Lab. We are going to move on into something called App Lab, and what you're going to see there is that now you have kind of a mock-up of a screen. Your toolbox is going to be here in the middle. This is your workspace where you're going to drag things over for blocks of code for programming. And stuff will show up on your screen and you have to click run to test it. Now, a couple other things that I want you to notice. Instructions are still at the top here that you can look at. Version history looks the same. They don't have a save button like that you saw in WebLab, but you will see, because that you have blocks of code that you're going to be dragging over, you can flip-flop back and forth between the text and the block coding. For now, to get started, I'd recommend using the blocks. And then as you get more and more used to it, especially because these are kind of long, I would guess you probably wouldn't want to key all of this in here. Leave it in block mode. Okay. So you are going to start on level number 1, watching this video with a programmer named Meilani who works with code.org, and then just start cruising through this whole lesson. I hope you enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. And again, you are now going to get to program in JavaScript. Have some fun.